Ugh. Oh, you're gonna get your sister in the eye. Can you stick your hand in here? Come here. Mix. Can I have a spoon, please? Spoon? Ready? Isn't that funny?
It's funny. Oh.
Can you get the seeds out? Pull it out. Pull it out. Can you pat the back? Look at, he kind of threw up.
Oh, wait, Mama.
Can you stick your hand in? Like this? Ew, yucky. Can you stick your hand in? Oh, I want it. Give it to Daddy.
Yay.